Okay, so you have to ask for it though. We have to hear it. Can I get a hanaho? Okay, one more time.
Very good, thank you. That is actually one of the lessons that we teach here. The first gig we ever did with the big band, we were playing at Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center. Oh, we were doing Ho'olau there, and Mental Mele was emceeing, and they called for a hanaho, and we didn't have one. And it's like, oh no. So the next gig we had, we was ready. So we have a hanaho. We want to end our hanaho with a song entitled Eleu Mikimiki. Senior Noah Cockett on the alto saxophone. Thank you everybody with the Mō'i Jazz Ensemble. Please give us a follow on Instagram. Aloha.
Mahalo, and mahalo to all of you in our audience today for making some time. We've lucked out and had wonderful weather here at the Palace. We do have Valea on at noon, so you have about 15 minutes to go get a hot dog, to go get a boba, to speed make your kupe'e with the aunties over here in the corner. Play some konane. Please take advantage. Also, if you haven't gotten anything for Mother's Day, for the mothers in your lives, the gift shop is also open. So you might want to go in and peruse. The AC's on, if that's really why you want to go in the gift shop. I'm not judging you. But we have some time, and Valea will be on at noon, and mahalo for joining us today.